So I stopped by Walmart on my way to Virginia, and oh shit, it's angel numbers on it. Cool. Damn, that's wild as fuck. It's angel numbers on it like that. But yeah, I bought a sweet potato pie over there for my ancestors over there and shit. And I got some baby canvases, you know. These were 144, I think. These were 277. But these right here, it was something on it. But these right here is 175 for a big sketchbook. This sketchbook was more. What is this? Okay, so this sketchbook right here is more expensive than, well, this gonna have shit on it, y'all, because I paint and stuff in here. So yeah, this sketchbook and shit like that is more expensive than this one. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all that there's a sale going on, and y'all should get the sketchbooks for $1.75 while they're $1.75. Woo!